Begin this practice in child's pose. Send your hips back, reach your arms forward towards the front of your yoga mat, and let the top of the head gently kiss the ground beneath you. Today, I am grateful for nature. Join the 30 Days of Gratitude Challenge, where you spend just a few minutes of your day practicing something you're thankful for with me on this YouTube channel. Just click subscribe. What beautiful environment have you experienced that you are most thankful for? Is it the grass in your backyard or the sandy beach at your favorite destination? Is it the unique tones of the rocks and colors of the mud, or the mountains or trees that bring you the most joy? Whatever it may be, visualize it and exhale. And as you sit here and visualize the feeling of being in that natural environment, remember to listen to your breath. Mindfully walk your hands off to the left corner of the mat. Breathe into the right side body. It has been scientifically proven that nature, whether you look outside, in person, or even in pictures, brings serenity. Mindfully walk your hands through center and reach the fingertips off to the right corner of your mat. Lengthen through the left side of the body. Whenever you need to, take yourself to that happy place, that beautiful nature-filled land. As you walk your hands through center, find your way onto your hands and knees, tabletop. Cat-cows, linking breath and movement. Exhale, curl the spine for cat, tuck the chin, and lengthen as you drop the belly, lift the chin, and continue to find cat and cows lengthening through the breath, exaggerating the oxygen through the body. After this final round of cat-cows, inhale, twist the left arm up. It doesn't need to go as high as me to the ceiling, but just take it a little length and then thread it through between the right hand and the left cheek and the right knee into this twisting child's pose. You can always wrap your right arm behind your back and sit deeper into child's pose. Just breathe your way into your fullest expression here. Exhale, untwist, unwind, lift the left arm up. Exhale, tabletop. Coming into the second side, inhale, gratefully lift the right arm. Exhale, thread it through between the left hand, left knee. Come all the way down onto the right shoulder, right cheek. You can lift that left arm behind your back or keep it down, up to you. Untwist, unwind, and find downward facing dog. Hips come high, lengthen through the spine, shake out the head. Inhale the right leg up and back behind you, nice and fluid. Roll through an ankle, that feels good. Open and close the hip and the knee joint. And then step the right foot up and through, forward for crescent pose. So you're on your back toe for this warrior, palms together overhead, chest shines up and forward as the shoulders melt down and you find that crescent in the back. Strong legs, right knee in line with the right ankle. Stepping into a full one-legged balance on or off the mat. You can grab onto the wall for tree if you need to. In this tree pose, plant your left foot inside the thigh or ankle. Avoid the knee joint. Bring your branches, your palms to heart center, up or down, or wherever it feels good for you. Stabilize and breathe into that base right leg. Slowly extend back through airplane, so chest parallel to the mat. Find your hands to the yoga mat and then downward facing dog. Gratitude for that second side. Inhale, lift your left leg and notice it as you find length as you reach it towards the ceiling. And then step it forward, nice and long, deep lunge, crescent warrior. Both arms come reaching up to the sky, palms together overhead. Square the hips towards the front leg. Step into the left foot for tree pose on this side. It's okay if you're a little wobbly. Perfectly normal. Come out and then come back into the pose. Fill your breath with pride and acceptance as you just feel yourself in this tree. We can learn so much from the trees. When life's winds come roaring, we bend so we don't break. We let go of leaves with every season to begin and grow again. Reach out and down for airplane pose just as a transition and step the feet back, downward facing dog. Peel into plank pose on or off the knees. Squeeze the elbows into the body as you lower all the way down. Inhale for cobra. Gently lift your heart through. Exhale, come back down and clasp your hands behind your low back. You can find those fingertips. Inhale, lift your thighs, lift your heart. Continue to breathe as you find this superhero pose. Imagine yourself soaring through the winds in this back bend. Exhale, release, feel your heartbeat on the earth. Going a little deeper, finding our final pose. Bend the knees, find the tops of the feet for teardrop pose. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your thighs. If teardrop pose is not for you today, you can go ahead and take the first back bend we found, clasping your hands behind your low back. Deepen your breath wherever you chose to be. Keep pressing through the feet into the hands. Inhale. Exhale, release. Place the opposite cheek down onto the earth and feel yourself relax here with every exhale, taking our final posture, relaxing the body, the mind, and the breath. Close your eyes. I'll leave you to rest with this reflection. What in nature are you most grateful for? I am so thankful you practiced yoga with me today. Don't forget to click subscribe and join me in this 30-day gratitude challenge. Each day is a new yoga video practice and a new thing to be grateful for.